Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. So today's topic is a little different. It's not any makeup or health tips video. It's basically a shopping haul. So most of you must be knowing Nykaa Pink Friday sale was live out here, and I think most of the girls would have shopped some or the other things of their choice from this sale, because the sale was totally insane and they had got so much of product with so much of discount, huge discount on luxurious products as well. So even I was eyeing on so many products and I thought of just buying it from the Pink Friday sale. So they had this sale I think from 24th November to 28th of November this year, and I also shopped a little bit, and I would be showing you that today, so that maybe if you wanted to shop this, I know I'm a little late and the date has gone, but still, you know, Nykaa is coming up more such sales in the month of December, their New Year sale, Christmas sale and all of that. So those products might come into discount again and you would be able to shop. So reason why I just wanted to show you what all I shopped, and if you like something then you can also shop for. So let's get into the video and see what we have today. So first thing which I purchased is this is from the United Color of Benesh, and this is a perfume. They say it as blue for her. So I wanted to buy this perfume from a longer time, and I just thought it was on sale, so why not buy this. So this is how it looks, and this is so good. You can see how the bottle is totally good, and the cap is like this, and it's really amazing. So the actual price for this was some 2000 or more than that, but 100,000 rupees I got this. So this is a huge big bottle which I got, and I'll tell you how the fragrance is like. Yeah, it's completely floral fragrance, and this you can also wear nighttime, or if you like daytime, it's fine. So this is not that mild or that strong, and it stays for a longer time, because when I tried, even the next day I had this fragrance. So this is not that strong. It is having a floral scent to it. Okay, so next up, something I have from the brand Bath and Body Works. So if you know me and if you've seen my video, I always am hungry about the body butters and body lotion, moisturizers, which whatever is around, because my skin is extremely dry and I always look into that. So reason why I always search for Bath and Body Works products if it is on sale, because the actual price is little high. So if you go on discount, you get a huge deal and good deal. So reason why I just bought these three. This is called as Bath and Body Works Sweet Pea 24 hours moisturized body lotion, and then I have a shower gel, and I also have a body mist. So this is actually called as Sweet Pea, and the fragrance is like some flower, and you can see the flower is out here. So how it is, so, and you can see the huge bottle is here, and the note for it is sweet, as it is mentioned, sweet pea, sweet and floral. So if you like any sweet and floral fragrance, surely you can go for this. This is amazing fragrance. Most of you would like, because this is not that strong and it stays for longer time. So this perfume, even the body lotion, this is not a body butter, even this is like, you know, a good texture. I'll just show you. So this is how it opens. Yeah, so this is the consistency, and this is very light, like a gel, so it just absorbs so quickly. So if you are not someone who are into body butters, you can choose for this. And this fragrance, the smell is actually very luxurious. You feel like you just got some luxurious fragrance with sweet flower. So this is the reason even these three has got a very good, and if you like mild fragrance and stays for longer time, you can choose for this. So next up, I have one more and last in this body lotion and fragrance category, which is again from Bath and Body Works, and they say that pomegranate extract, and is a body lotion. This is from the wellness collection, and the fragrance is amazing. They say that this has got pomegranate extract in it, and it actually smells like, you know, somewhere like pomegranate. Yeah, and actually more than that, and I feel the fragrance is near to strawberry, I feel, because I have used strawberry fragrance from the Body Shop. So The strawberry fragrance is also like this, and I remember the fragrance is also similar to the cotton candy what we have, the pink one. It's the similar, however they say as a pomegranate, and it has got the beautiful scent. I have never tried this kind of a scent, so reason why this is my favorite. I am continuously using this every day. So even this and Sweet Pea, I got this on discount, and these both, and this was again around some 800 bucks I think I paid for this, and for those three were also on discount, so it was like $7.99 each. Now let's talk about again some more skincare. So I just bought something very good and unique, and this is from M Caffeine, and this is newly launched something they have got, and quite interesting. I'll show you. First you see and then you notice if it is interesting or not. See here, I got this bottle. Basically this is a body wash, and you must be thinking, are you kidding me? This is a body wash in this kind of a bottle, which we know we drink cappuccino or coffees and all of that. So exactly, you got this right. This is a shower gel, or you can see a body wash, and this looks something like this. I have used this some 5 to 6 times, and this is really amazing. The fragrance what we have out here is cappuccino. So this has got their coffee collection, and you know that M Caffeine is basically all the coffee collections. So this this body wash, I'm trying this for the first time. They have got so many fragrance in this, like I think espresso and cappuccino and almond milk or something, and I chose for cappuccino because I actually love having cappuccino as well when it comes to sipping coffee. So this is really nice, smooth in texture, and this is very mild also. This gives you the foam when you use your loofah for for the wash. So it's highly recommended and it's very good. The price for this is $3.99, and on this I did not get any discount. I just got one loofah, it is just lying somewhere, got free. Otherwise, since this is their new launch, I didn't get any discount, but I was just looking for this, so I bought. Wait, I just forgot to mention, I got something free. This also, I got this free. So what is this? Basically they have sent me some shampoo and conditioner travel size sachet, and I use this only once, so I would not be able to give review, but yeah, when I use this once, you can ask for first impression. It is good. It is not giving so much of foam, but I feel this is like okay product for me. It's not something which is okay, wow, it gave me something good to my hair. This is okay for me. This is a good product. So this is M Caffeine Naked and Raw coffee shampoo and coffee conditioner. So I just got this free when I purchased that. Next up in skincare, I have these two. This is Revital Lift Hyaluronic Acid face wash, and this is the face sheet mask. I have these two, so I'm gonna make a separate video on this because I heard lots about this and I have not tried, so I cannot give you any review out here, but I'm just showing you this. So this is $199 and this is for $175. I got this discount, maybe some 100-150 rupees, and I just got these two. Next up, I've got something from the brand Elf. So Elf brand is also getting so much promoted on Nykaa, and I'm seeing people buying it actually because this is affordable. So if you are looking for affordable makeup or something, then you can surely look for Elf brand, and I'll show you what all I got. First I got is the primer. This is Elf matte putty primer. So in this many comes, like if you want matte effect, if you want glossy anything, it comes. So this is how it is. You have to just rub your finger out here. This is white in color, and this is, so I use this 2-3 times and it actually just goes away. It blurs out your pore. So you should always have a good primer when you start your makeup. If you are going for wedding or function, if you're you have to stay for long, even if you don't have to stay for long, you should always use a primer because it provides a good base and your makeup sets well. It holds your makeup for the longer time. So I highly recommend you to use any good primer. Not only this, it is in Maybelline, Smashbox, MAC, so many. So whatever you feel like, you should buy. So I am satisfied with this. This is a very good primer and it mattifies. What I bought is something very interesting. They say that Elf bite size face duo. So face duo in this sense, you can use it on your cheek, on your eyelids, maybe as a blush, as a contour, anything. So this is how it looks. It's a small cute chotu packaging, see. Yeah, so the cost for this is I think 400 rupees, some 400 rupees, and this was also on discount, so when I bought. Yeah, so here you see this is a peach color. So this is a peach color and this is how it looks. So I just bought this to use as a blush and contouring, because sometimes when I go out I don't want to use such harsh contouring powder or blush. So this would serve both the purpose, and if you wanted something compact and don't want to spend on too many things, this is the highlighter, so you can buy this. So, and if you combine both of this would look gorgeous. Next what I have here is ELF blush. They say monochromatic multi stick, and honestly speaking I didn't like this at all. This is not at all good. I don't know why I bought this. I thought it would be very good, and it looks like some cheap. It has no shade also, and it has got some glitter, very chalky, and you know, it's not good at all. When you use it on your eyes also, it is not giving any effect. I'll show you. Yeah, so can you see how chalky is it? It just sits on one place and it does not spread much, so you have to take harder to just blend this in. And reason why, you know, it's just pink in color, it's not my favorite, and maybe, you know, I will just use this somehow. I'll see how I'm gonna use this. So this also I bought, and this was some 300 rupees. Okay, now, so buying all these three, I got something free from Nykaa. So when I, you know, when we talk about free, automatically some smile comes, because, you know, yeah, everybody loves. So yeah, I bought this one lip balm, sheer lipstick or something. It's like a lip balm. So this is nice. It is pink in color. Show you. It's pink in color. It is glossy, so you can use it as a lip balm or a lip gloss. Just use it on top. Yeah. So you can make it as a topper as well. This is how it is. It's nice. It's a nice product. You can use it anytime. So this is for free. I got this something very, very good, this brush. And this brush, they say multi blender massager brush, and this is how when I saw this, I feel like, you know, I'm gonna paint my walls with this, because it's extremely look like you know, any putty brush or something, but this works very well. I have used this on my face for foundation and it worked so well. So I just got this free and I'm so happy, and the quality is very good. It's very soft. Now moving on, I bought some makeup which I was eyeing on from like an year, and I'm talking about Huda Beauty products, because Huda Beauty products, it don't go on sale like very frequently, and this time I saw that it was on sale, so I just bought few things. So many things I bought. So first I'll show you, this is my favorite, the eyeshadow what I bought, and this is so nice, so amazing. I like to have on my eyes neutral tones for most of the dresses, so reason why I just got this Sand Haze Huda Beauty. So this is how it looks. So the actual price for this eyeshadow palette is of 2500, but on sale I got this for 1200. So this is the reason I bought this, and the shades are so amazing. I'll give you the close look. So amazing. Even when I talk about the pigment, I made video also using this, so you would be able to see that soon. And the pigment is also very stunning color. So I'll just swatch you one. See here how pigmented is that, and it sits on your face for the longer time. Yeah, see. So this is very soft, very buttery, highly pigmented. I have seen people talking on YouTube that beauty palettes are highly pigmented and stays for longer time. Reason why I bought this. I have this lipstick in my hand which is called as Shio, the shade is, and this is their demi matte lipstick. How it looks, Shio shade. So yeah, this is a little dark chocolate brown kind of a color. Yeah, so usually I don't like those chocolate brown color. I like those, you know, soft brown and in the nude side. But I bought this because I have also bought one more shade which I combine these two and use. So this is another lipstick what I have. Their bullet matte powder, bullet matte lipstick, and the shade what I have here is Anniversary. So this is how it looks. Yeah, and the shade is Anniversary, and this is very light color. So this is. So what I do, I bought this to mix these two and use, because I like this color, but this looks little chocolatey when after settles down. So when I mix these two and use, and then it looks neutral. So that was all about Huda Beauty. And I also bought two more lipsticks. First one is from Maybelline Superstay. So I already bought one of this shade, Maybelline Superstay ink, in the shade Lover, that is little pink and mauve in color, which I gifted to my friend. And this time I just wanted for myself, because I heard a lot about this, and this actually literally stays on your lips for 10 to 11 hours. Even if you eat something, you don't have to reapply. Reason why I bought this. And my shade today is 65 Seductress. So this is how it looks. Yeah, very nice neutral, not in pinkish, this is in brownish side. You can see. So this lipstick is highly recommended if you are going for any occasion. This is the best lipstick. This is the best lipstick. It stays for very long time, and you don't require actually touch up. So if you are going for occasion, highly recommended, you should buy this lipstick. It comes in multiple shades, so it's not necessary you have to buy this shade. Any dark shade, even in this kind of a pink shade, orange, so many shades are available. Next lipstick is from the brand Bobbi Brown. So I like Bobbi Brown brand also a lot, and I don't have much products from them because it is quite expensive. But this time I just thought of trying a lipstick which is in mini version. Yeah, so this is called as Crushed Lip Color Babe. So Babe is quite famous, and this is in pink color. So nice rosy pink sort of a color. So I'll show you. So this is how Babe looks like. It is quite near to the shade is from MAC Meher, what I have. So MAC Meher is very famous shade from MAC, and reason why I am just almost done with MAC Meher, so I just thought of trying Bobbi Brown, and I bought this lipstick. There is a very good brand on Nykaa if you wanted to try, which is called The Balm. The Balm cosmetic is quite famous out of India, and they also have on Nykaa. So this is Meet Matte Hugs liquid lipstick, and it also stays for longer time. The shade what I have is Honest. I did not have much shades in coral orange color. I like a good orange color, reason why I bought this. So yeah, so this is how it looks, orange in color. Yeah, so this is also very nice shade. It will look good on lighter skin tone and even on dark skin tone, or maybe in dusky people, you know, if they wanted to try. This is very good shade. It's coral orange, but this is not so light, so it would not looks like, you know, some artificial or, you know, giving some weird kind of effect. It's very good and very subtle from the Balm Cosmetics. So I just love those highlighters and, you know, illuminators and moisturizers. So for moisturization, I was just done with this MAC Strobe Cream. So this is moisturizer plus illuminator, and I use this a lot. So I just bought this a new pack. So this is in the smaller version. You also get a bigger version because that cost around more than 3,000, and this is around some 12 to 1,300. So I just bought this. And I don't remember if there was any sale, but you know, I just bought this, and most of the products was on sale and was on discount. So I added this because I was done through the last one what I had. Looks like this, and if you talk about the effect, it is exactly like some moisturizer but gives you the glow effect. It's like I use the Body Shop drops of glow illuminator. It is similar to that, and it provides that kind of effect. So reason why I always buy this, and I restock whenever it is over. So moving on, I bought something from Smashbox. First thing what I bought from Smashbox is this concealer. So they say this is Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour concealer, and the concealer is actually very good. It is high in coverage. It provides quite good coverage. If you are looking for any high-end good coverage concealer, you can choose for Smashbox. So my shade out here is Light Fair Warm Peach, and you get 8 ml of quantity. So I'll show you the shade. Yeah, so this is the shade. So on my hand it looks little light, but on my face it settles well, and you just have to dab this in. It is quite soft, and it just goes off somewhere in your skin, and then this provides mattified space. It blends so well. Even if you use your fingers, your sponge, your brushes, it blends so well. This is the reason why I highly recommend you. I have MAC concealer as well and this, but I choose Smashbox over MAC because this provides the finish which is quite natural and it settles so well in this. So now buying this, got some 4 products free, which is this Smashbox mascara. They say that super fan mascara. And then I bought this Chotu Vitamin Glow Primer. So this primer is also very good. I will show you. I think I have not used this. Even I have to use this so that I can review. So maybe in some makeup tutorial I'll be soon giving you the review. So this is like a gel consistency. Again, and the fragrance is also very good, like a fruity fragrance, and it just sits very well and it blends that into the skin. So I think it will provide a good effect once you apply this and do the makeup. So this is it. I got one more thing free from Smashbox, which is this lipstick. If on Instagram also I posted, because since I bought this is my favorite shade, favorite pink nude shade, and the shade name is Audition. So you know, this is very good. If you like any shade, you know, which is neutral, see this, and when you apply on your lips it looks amazing. This is very good, and I have used it 2-3 times, and this is how it is. This is pink nude color, and you know, you can wear this on any dress. So on this dress also, if you don't like, suppose, this pink lipstick, you can also use this, because this is in pinky peachy nude. On the sari, on any western dress, salwars, you can use this. And the last thing what I got buying the concealer free is this pouch, makeup pouch. So they say that Smashbox makeup pouch. So if you have any of your makeup stuff, you can just put this here and you can carry this anywhere. That was not over. I bought one more lipstick free on buying that concealer. Since that concealer was around 2,200, so they gave me so many products free because that was on offer in Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and the shade is Hoops On. So this is like something, you know, I use occasionally because I don't use those dark colors regular basis. So you know, this is this color, something in brown, in wine shade. Yeah, so this is quite dark for me. It's like in wine shade, this one. So I'll use this maybe in occasion on any wedding function or something. So if you are a little dusky tone and if you like those dark shades, this is for you. The last thing which I bought from Smashbox is this duo. So they say that this is mini duo. They say that Smashbox always on mini duo. So I have some. So this was not for free. I spent my money on this. So this is how it is. Yeah. So this duo, I bought this around some 990 rupees. Yeah. So this got 2 colors in first shade. Yeah, so this comes with this kind of an applicator, and first shade is this pink in shade. I think it's similar to my lipstick, pink shade. And so they say that this is Big Spender. The name is Big Spender. Another one is Stepping Out. Stepping Out is a nude color and another one is a pink color. So they gave this duo so that, you know, you just get a hint of those 2 colors, light and little dark. So these 2 are also my absolute favorite, because you know, if you get the duo under 1,000 rupees, then what's better than this? And this is a high quality premium brand, and somebody would always look for this kind of a lipstick, because if you don't want your lips to be chappy or, you know, any bad effect, then you should always choose for this kind of a lipstick, because the formula what they have is really very good. Here we come to the end of this haul, and last but not the least, I just wanted to share one more product. So if you use makeup, how are you gonna remove? You need some makeup remover. So I bought this makeup remover from Kara. So this is their refreshing wipes, and in this I think some 25 pulls are there, and this they say that 110 rupees, but I paid some 80 rupees in the discount, and I feel this is not the one of the best because I have used Color Bar makeup remover and that's so good. The formula is very good inside the wipe. Whenever you just swipe it at once, it just takes out all the makeup, but however for this you have to rub it for 2 to 3 times. So this is not the best, but this is okay product, and I'm using this currently since my Color Bar is over. So maybe after this I don't think I'm gonna repurchase. I would repurchase Color Bar. So that's it for today's guys. This was my makeup haul and I bought this over the sale. I would also recommend you to, if you wanted to shop something makeup and you feel that some products are a little expensive and you don't want to spend it in, then you can wait for the sale. Nykaa has always one or the other sale on, and in December again they would be coming up with sale wherein you get good deals. So you can shop with them. If you like any of the product which I bought, then you can buy, and or maybe not buy, which I told you. Maybe some products I was like okay, so based on the recommendation you can just go for. And that's it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was somewhere helpful, and if you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends and family. And thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and watching this. Bye bye.